So I'm one of the members of the founding team of Curiosity Club. The Curiosity Club, as Alan says, we are trying to make women visible, and I'm sure you noticed that for that we are using the power of curiosity. In fact, curiosity, the definition of curiosity is really the desire to learn and to know some new things and to learn those things also with people. So we try to focus on this desire to search, to explore, and to be inspired by other people. And we are trying to keep this desire as a driver of curiosity. And this driver will push you, will push all of us to search new subjects, to meet new people, to create relationships, and also to have another vision on our world, because if you are curious on people, you will get their insight on their own subject or their own passion, their own adventures, and they will give you new insight and new way to see our world. So we are really convinced in this power of curiosity to open also new doors. We are doing the Curiosity Club for 5 years now, and I think 99% of the women we ask to come and tell their stories say us yes, because we tell, hi, do you want to come and share with other women? And of course, nobody will say no. I think the only woman who say no, it was Brigitte Macron, but we are still trying to have her, and we will not giving up this idea, because I think she can give us a lot of learnings. So with the Curiosity Club, we see the opportunity in two things. The first thing was to bringing women together through creating an ecosystem of women, and of all those women have been empowered with curiosity. And the second opportunity we see with the Curiosity Club was, of course, to make women visible and to highlight women by bringing them on the spotlight, and by also, I think, encourage them to share their stories, to come and to share also their personalities, because of course, every woman and also every man are unique on this earth, and each people will give you new insights and can inspire you for your ambitions, your project, and everything. So the Curiosity Club is today, first of all, a media. We are creating some digital and physical rendezvous de curiosité. With the digital, we are creating some articles, newsletter on all inspiring subjects, pushing, of course, women in front of the scene. And after, we are also organizing one time per month some events where we are pushing some women on all kind of subjects. So you have like a crazy horse dancer, you have like a navy captain, you have like a nun, you have all kind of women, because all of those women can give us something. So this is the media part. After, we have, of course, a community of women. We have 8,000 women who are following us until now, and I hope we will have more tonight with all you girls and men also. Of course, we are open to men also. And we are also expanding the project in other cities. So now we have Lille, we have Marseille, we have Milano, we have Mumbai. So we are trying to spread the curiosity everywhere, and we hope it will work. And finally, we have the studio, and this is a big project for us, because usually we were in B2C, but some companies, of course, call us and tell, okay, you are a woman professional, so if you want, maybe we can try to help companies to highlight also the women in their own companies. So we are helping companies in two ways. So of course highlight their talent in the companies, because sometimes women take not the place they have to take, and so we think that companies can help them to take the place. And after, we are also helping companies on communication and marketing, and how to speak to women in the right way and the intelligent way, and not with always some cliché on everything. So this is what we do with the Curiosity Club, and we try to be really impactive on this subject, to be on the B2C line and the B2B line also. Of course, tonight the subject is women in tech. We know that there is some big issues with education in tech, and also companies, tech companies, who pain to mobilize women in their team, to pain to retain women also, because when you are part of a full men team, it's not really easy day by day. So you have to match with that. So we think at the Curiosity Club that education is of course the first step. If women, we think that there is no woman job or man job. All women can do all jobs, and all men can do also all jobs. So if at the beginning in the education you can give kids those keys, I think it will change a lot after in the company. And of course, women is attracting women. If you have women in tech class, and if you have women in tech team in companies, of course other women will say, okay, maybe it's for me, so I can go there. So it's really important for us to have this point. And also, you tell that better than me with algorithm and everything, but performance, of course, is the key. If you have diversity team with a diversity and mixed team, you will get the performance, because you need some different opinion, you need some different management ways, you need some different all things, and men and women are not giving you the same insight. So it's really important to have that also, to have the performance in companies. So I hope everybody here is curious, because it will give you a lot of opportunity and will open you a lot of doors. And thank you very much.